In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively set up and manage streams on Hootsuite using Chrome. Let's dive right in and get started. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Hootsuite account using the Chrome browser. Make sure you have your login credentials handy for a smooth entry. Once you've entered those and successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Hootsuite dashboard. On this main page, you'll see various options and tools designed to enhance your social media management experience. The next step is to navigate to the Streams tab. This section is where you can manage and organize the different content flows from your social networks all in one convenient location. It's a fantastic feature for anyone looking to streamline their social media monitoring process. Once you're in the Streams tab, look for the Add Stream button. Giving it a click will allow you to select the social network you want to create a new stream for, whether it's Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, or others that Hootsuite supports. Moving forward, after picking your desired social network, you'll see various stream type options. These options can include home feed, mentions, messages, and so on. Select the kind of stream that will help you stay ahead of your social communications. Each option is tailored to suit specific monitoring needs. You might want to keep an eye on your direct messages or perhaps track who's mentioning you online. These streams help you to stay connected and responsive to your network. Once you've decided on the type of stream, it's time to dig deeper into customization. Customizing your streams will allow you to monitor keywords, hashtags, or specific profiles that are relevant to your brand or interests. This is where you can really fine-tune what content you're viewing and not miss out on any important conversation or trend happening in your industry. It's a good idea to brainstorm keywords or hashtags that are most relevant to your audience or brand to make the most out of this feature. After setting up and customizing your streams comes the organizational part. Make sure to save these customized streams and consider organizing them in a way that makes sense for you and your team. Whether you group them by social media network or by the urgency of the information they're capturing, organizing them will enhance your workflow and make it easier to analyze the data you gather. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on setting up and managing your streams in Hootsuite using a streamlined approach in Chrome. This setup not only keeps your social media monitoring efficient, but also ensures you're always plugged into the significant buzz around your digital footprint. Do take some time to explore different customizations and adjustments to see what aligns best with your goals. Thank you for watching, and happy social media managing!